Welcome back to our Sailrite workbench. Today we're going to be covering all of Sailrite's sanding sleeves and their recommended uses. These sanding sleeves are 2 inches long and 2 inches in diameter, making them a perfect fit for the sanding drum on the Sailrite Leather Burnishing Machine. The outer surface of the sleeves is covered in an aluminum oxide grit that is durable, strong, and ideal for abrading and polishing. The inner surface of the sleeves is covered in a smooth cloth for easy installation and removal from the sanding drum. These sanding sleeves come in a range of grits for different leatherworking tasks. The coarse or low grit sleeves are named with low numbers and leave a rough finish on leather. The fine or high grit sleeves are named with high numbers and leave an extra smooth finish. Medium grit sleeves fall within this range and leave a smooth finish. We recommend using these grits in succession from lowest grit to highest to achieve the most professional finish. Now that we've had a brief overview, let's explore the different grits and their recommended uses. The 36 grit sleeve leaves a rough finish on the sanded item. It is recommended for thinning and skiving leather. The 80 grit sleeve also leaves a rough finish on the sanded item. It is recommended for leveling very uneven leather edges and for skiving. The 80 grit sanding sleeve comes with our burnishing machine because it can be used for many common leatherworking tasks. The 120 and the 180 grit sleeves leave a smooth finish on the sanded item. They are recommended for leveling slightly uneven leather edges and for light sanding. The 240 and 320 grit sleeves leave an extra smooth finish on the sanded item. They are recommended for smoothing edges before burnishing on the machine. It is recommended to always go the same direction when sanding to ensure the fibers are flat. These sanding sleeves come in various amounts and in various grits so that you can choose the right one for your project. You can order a single grit in a 2-pack, 5-pack, or 10-pack, or you can choose the full grit range, which comes with 2 of each grit. We have linked all the leather sanding sleeves in the description below to make it easy to get yours. If you want to see more DIYs, tips, product demos, and selection guides, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon in the corner so that you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos. And lastly, what leather projects are you working on? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you guys next time.